There's the oil tanks. The reason why I got the kitty litter is just in case any oil spills out. We're going to be checking the filter today on this boiler. And the reason why I started the video with a wood stove is because that's our primary source of heat. We barely use this thing, only for showers. And you know, when the polar vortex is over us, we need the heat in the morning. So I would think this thing runs for about a total of maybe 15 minutes a day. So anyway, I haven't checked this filter in about 9 years. I got a brand new filter here. Just went to Home Depot, and we're gonna check this. All right. So first thing is, this spins the other way. I read that this comes out, something drops in, and it stops the oil from coming in. It's actually a fire safety thing. It's funny because it's just a knob. So we'll see. I'm gonna put the bucket under here. I guess I can't. I got this thing so low. So what I'm gonna do is just put a rag under there for now. Catch any oil spilling. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. When was the last time this thing was even opened? Alright. Now go slow. Make sure the oil has stopped coming in. Should be some little bit of oil spilling, but it shouldn't be a constant flow. So I'm going to go slow here. Man, that oil looks good. It's red, actually. Nice. I just got an oil fill, so probably why. Alright. Nice. Looks like there's no oil coming in. I'm going to change rags just in case. I don't want to get it on the floor. They put this thing so low. Why would you do that? There we go. So there's the bolt. It actually goes on top. That's interesting. Now how... Holy smokes. You guys are gonna laugh and make sarcastic comments. Let me just empty this oil and I'll show you in 1 second. Oh my God. All right. There. That's 8 or 9 years of neglect. And a boiler that barely runs. Like I said, only for hot water for the shower. And a couple of times when it's really cold in the morning, the wood stove can't warm the bedrooms up in the back rooms. That's it. Look at this. I mean, that's all sludge. Gunk. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So we're looking at this for the first time. Let me just take this out here if I can. There we go. Oh my God. Really? Hang on. There. Is there a filter under there? My God. This we're going to just clean out. Alright, there's a lot of sludge there too. And we're just going to replace the filter. That's crazy. That's crazy. I should have wore gloves. Wow. This gasket, you know what? I gotta check if the new filter actually comes with this. So let me put this aside, because it might not come with it. So, I'm just gonna clean this canister here, because the canister's still good. Wow. That's insane. Look at that. Wow. Oh my God, there's so much sludge in there. Whoa. Old filter. New. Old. There. The bottom or the top, whatever. It's not. There we go. New, old. This is what a filter should look like. Oh, great. Let's get it dirty before we even install it. Just for YouTube. Just for YouTube. Alright. Got my canister. I put the new seal on it. You slide this right in. Where are you? You slide this right in. Alright. Alright, you can see. Alright, so you just slide this under. Lift this up. Here's the bolt. Ah, here's where the air. Oh, I see it. See this washer up here? It comes with a new one, so might as well replace it. Let me clean this up too while I'm at it. Simple stuff. What would they charge for this? 120 bucks? The filter was like 10 bucks. Alright. Slide that right on. Beautiful. Stick this up top. And just screw it down. Alright, nice and tight. Beautiful. All right. Now, let's put this back here. This should be all the way. My switch is over here. Actually put it here. Alright, I turn the thermostat up. Checking for leaks. There should be oil coming out of here now since it's full. So the bleeder is under here. See that little nozzle right there, the little nut? If you open that up, that's what you should see, a nice stream. A flow of oil. You let all the air out first and then just tighten it back up. Oh yeah, baby.